The news module is the focal point of every AMP campaign, the beating heart of your content strategy with AmpiFire. Why is it so important? Because it's an authority piece of content that gets published on hundreds of sites. These can include major platforms like Yahoo, Bloomberg, and Nasdaq, and you can also get picked up by Google News, which gives you huge visibility. Because by definition it's newsworthy, it gives you authority and credibility in your space, and you can encourage massive click-through to your website or landing page. Let's dive into some examples of branded news working wonders for businesses in a variety of fields. This AMP has an investment bank deal sourcing focus. The client wasn't ranking anywhere before they started their AMP campaigns. They had no visibility anywhere on the first 2 pages of Google. Now they're getting great visibility, with first page ranking for all of their chosen keywords. You can see here how they're prominent when you search for investment bank deal sourcing, deal origination, and pipeline management. This is a good example of what kind of results you can get quickly when you publish AMPs. Now, let's switch focus to the fashion and beauty recruitment industry. This agency has combined niche-specific keywords really well and is getting strong results for searches across the west coast of the US. If you search for beauty recruitment agencies in San Francisco, you can see them right there. Likewise for beauty staffing, another big keyword related to the field. And it's the same with the campaigns they've done focusing on Seattle. They've got prominent ranking positions for part-time retail staffing and part-time fashion staffing. And it's all because of a well-planned, well-written, keyword-optimized news module. Here we've got a non-profit organisation. The group helps to combat adverse childhood experiences through social emotional learning. Look how it's ranking when you search for their curriculum. The news module has propelled its program to the first page on Google. And again here, you can change the modifier to post-traumatic, and it's in the top 5. This just shows how valuable the news module can be for your business. The key is to plan your content carefully to make sure you've got a variety of topics, all using hyper-specific keywords related to your niche. Remember, you can use the content cube for this. It's a great place to start, and you can always change things around to maximize impact. And once you've got those keywords planned out, it's really important to ensure optimal keyword placement in your headlines. Remember, the most important keywords should always go as close to the start of the headline as possible. So there you go. Hopefully that's inspired you to have a go at your own news article. With the right approach, you can really get some fantastic results.